In this video, I'll show you how to exclude an age group in Google Ads. So if you don't want to target a specific age group or a few age groups, then here's how you can exclude those from your campaigns. To do this, just go to the campaign section, and then what you want to do is click on the campaigns dropdown and go to campaigns. Now here, select the campaign or campaigns that you want to exclude an age group for and click on the edit settings icon. From there you will see this. Now what you want to do is just scroll down until you see other settings, and then from there go to age exclusions and click on the drop down and then enable it. Now here you can select which age group you want to exclude. For example, if you don't want to target 18 to 24, you can select that. And for example, if you only want to target 25 to 34, you can also exclude the rest and then click save. And then from there you will have set that up. So that's how to exclude age groups on Google Ads. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.